My name is Karen Baldwin, and I am currently working and have been working as a direct care support staff for the ARC of Blackstone Valley for 11 years now. I did not get into this career in order to become rich. I do it because it's very spiritually fulfilling for me. It fulfills a need beyond that of earning a paycheck. When these budget cuts came through, I was stunned because back when I had a family to support and my children were under 18, I was doing this job and I was on food stamps. We're being asked to take a 5% pay cut. We are being asked to forego our pension contribution, and we are being asked to pay almost twice what we paid for health insurance. And we are already qualifying for food stamps and right care. We are the working poor, and that's who these cuts are affecting, as well as the folks that we support. And that's even more important. I originally worked for New to You, which is a thrift store on Armistice Boulevard. It supports 30 individuals, giving them employment, individuals with developmental disabilities and physical disabilities. Everything I'm wearing today came from New to You. And it's done in such a way that folks with impaired ability can work. The colored dots are their system of pricing so that someone with a cognitive ability of 5 can have a job there knowing that they use $4.95 for a blue dot. That program used to be open 6 days a week. It is now open 5 days a week since the cuts came through. We have a greenhouse in Slater Park that also provides care and support and jobs for developmentally disabled adults. It is now only open 5 days a week when it used to be open 6 days a week. Many of my coworkers are facing layoffs. They're facing what's called the bumping process. Another coworker that was very close to me worked for 7 years at the greenhouse. Her job had to be restructured because of the cuts. So it would have to start at a group home an hour and a half earlier than she normally started because she herself has a developmentally disabled child that she has to prepare in the morning for his day program. She had to give up a job that she had been with for 7 years. It's also very important, the consistency of the staffing for our folks is very important to them. Their safety net. They feel safe when they know who is going to be there and when, and in their scheduling where they're going to go. They feel very unsafe when those changes are made and dramatic changes are made. We're seeing behaviors that we haven't seen for 3 or 4 years. All of this is coming about since these changes in the huge cuts that have been detrimental to the services to the disabled. So we do ask that you please, please consider all of this and restore the funding.
Thank you, Karen.